Alright, this is my bike check for the 2014 Stolen Center. Last time I did this, I kind of filmed it a weird way, so I'm doing it again. Alright, we're going to start at the front. Okay, so this right here are my stolen Tallboy bars. Edwin De La Rosa grips. And we'll jump off remix stem. Stolen bikes headset. Got a badge right there. Stolen revolver front wheel. Animal light pegs. Stolen joint tire. Stolen center frame. Then this right here is the Animal Nigel Sylvester seat with a random seat post. Down here I have Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. Premium 1948 cranks. Animal Sprocky Balboa chain wheel. Some bell chain I got from Walmart. Another Animal light peg. Stolen revolver back rim with some random hub. Animal Tom white wall tires. And I think that's everything. Let's get a view of the bike. Start with my ratchet rum. And this bike was given to me for free by Ralphie Ramos, who rides for Animal and Stolen. Signature. Thanks. And this is my bike check so far.